Hey friends, we're going to be putting up some of these hexagon acoustic panels in our little recording studio here. So let's get going. You just peel these off and stick them on there. What are we starting out with? Black?
Blue. That's blue.
Is that black?
It's blue.
Blue.
And then black gray or blue gray black? What do you want to do?
Blue.
Blue gray black. That way it doesn't look like blue black gray. Or yeah, or black black gray.
So blue, gray, black?
Yeah.
Blue. All right, so we're gonna get this here. It is sticky.
Look. There we go.
You have room for one more?
No. We'd have to trim the bottom.
Oh, so close! I think that looks really cool, though. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I think that looks really sweet, though. I like how the gray and the blue jig up to it, or maybe we should have switched them every other. I don't know. I think it looks pretty sweet, guys.
It's pretty cool.
Thanks for watching.